Hi, all dairy-free lady here. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy, delicious recipe for dairy-free banana pancakes. So the first thing we're going to add is one whole banana, and we're just going to put this in our container, and I just kind of separate it into little chunks. And then you're going to take your fork and you're going to use it to smash all this up. You're going to add one egg, and we're going to incorporate the egg into that banana mixture. Next, you're going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla. Stir that up. Now at this point, if you want this to be gluten-free, you can stop right here and you can get your non-stick skillet going on about a medium heat. You can spray that with some non-stick cooking spray, and you can go ahead and use this. It'll be more like a crepe. It won't be as thick as a regular pancake, but it will be gluten-free and it does taste really good. But what I usually do, since I just want dairy-free, is I go ahead for a thicker pancake and I add 2 tablespoons of flour. I add 1/2 a teaspoon of baking powder, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my dairy-free plant-based milk, and then we're going to stir that up. Make sure you get any of the little lumps out. And I'm going to go ahead and cook my pancakes. I've heated my non-stick skillet and I'm going to spray it with a little bit of cooking spray. Make sure it's a non-dairy cooking spray. Now I'm just adding a little bit of that pancake mixture. So you'll notice that the bubbles start to form and some start to pop. Just kind of check the sides to make sure this is not sticking. And when it looks like it's cooked on the bottom, you can go ahead and flip it. So wait a few minutes for the other side to cook through before you take it off. That looks like it's cooked through pretty well. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. If you like this recipe, be sure to like and subscribe for further recipes. Also, check below for the link for a printable recipe.